This is a wave of industrial transformation. Many industries are changed by laser. The time is changing us, and we are also changing it. Songu Laser is a national high-tech enterprise founded in 2006, focusing on metal fabrication laser equipment and automation system R&D in manufacturing. Songu Laser persists in independent innovation strategy. We have established 5 R&D centers in Suzhou, Shanghai, Chengdu, Dongguan, in Italy. Songu Laser integrates our Suzhou production base and R&D resources to make excellent laser solution for our global customers. In order to continuously motivate the original innovation of laser equipment, control technology and production know-how, Songu Laser insists on investing more than 8% of its annual sales revenue in the research and development of new products. It has successfully achieved independent development of core components and closed-loop operation and quality control of the entire process supply chain. With mastery of numerous key technologies, Songu Laser has obtained more than 300 national technology patents and industry honors. To upgrade the laser equipment manufacturing ability, Songu Laser made an additional investment of over 200 million RMB in 2021 to significantly expand Songu Laser Industrial Park in Suzhou, building a 70,000 square meter self-owned industrial manufacturing park. Following the pace of Industry 4.0, Songu Laser continuously adopts advanced digital and intelligent manufacturing technologies and workflow control, achieves an annual production capacity of 3,000 sets of different industrial laser equipment. Leveraging strong technical capabilities and extensive product design experience, Songu Laser offers comprehensive customized automation solutions for customers. Songu Laser starts from the procurement of high-quality steel, ensuring the high quality of the raw materials. A highly integrated SAP ERP system enables precise control over the entire equipment manufacturing process, ensuring that every detail of production stage is well managed and monitored. Relying on modern standard workshops, Songu Laser has established a professional and efficient lean production management system. By integrating one-stop production lines, the company has built a fully self-sufficient manufacturing system that covers the entire process from steel cutting, machine frame welding, heat treatment, precision milling, and surface coating to complete machine assembly and debugging. In order to synchronize with the advanced manufacturing level of high-end equipment in the world, Songu Laser has purchased multiple world-class large-scale precision industrial processing equipment, the 17 meters by 4 meters by 2 meters large-scale trolley-type heat treatment equipment. With fully digital control of heating temperature and annealing time, it minimizes quality variations caused by manual intervention. Thorough annealing effectively prevents deformation, cracking, and warping of the workpieces, ensuring maximum flatness, precision, and long-term stability of the machine tools. Songu Laser has self-owned more than 20 high-precision vertical gantry machining centers, CNC machining centers, and 5-axis machining centers. Among them, the high-precision vertical gantry machining centers cover a full range of processing dimensions from 4 by 2 meters to 16 by 3.5 meters. This enables the complete in-house production of key components for laser equipment with full control over machining accuracy and product delivery time. With the support of numerous advanced machine tools, every stage of equipment manufacturing at Songu Laser reflects its commitment to quality and pursuit of excellent manufacturing. In Songu Laser Factory, each product is assigned a dedicated welding process routing card, and multiple welding procedures are carried out using a single product, single station operation standard. The welding parameters, such as current, wire diameter, weld type, and seam length for different workpieces are strictly controlled in accordance with standards. It effectively eliminates welding defects in the machine tool caused by material inconsistencies or non-standard procedures. From the selection of each raw material and component to the flawless completion of each finished piece of the equipment, every manufacturing process at Songu Laser is carefully designed and controlled. The company strives to implement refined quality monitoring and scientific management, establishing an advanced quality inspection system that aligns perfectly with world-class standards. Songu Laser's product portfolio includes sheet laser cutting machines, tube laser cutting machines, 3D 5-axis laser cutting cell, 3D laser welding workstation, and laser cleaning machines. The company also offers customized laser solutions for a wide range of metal materials. Songu Laser offers up to 60 kilowatt laser solution for sheet metal cutting. Tube laser solution covers f20 to 500 millimeters, length 6 meters to 12 meters. The 3D 5-axis laser cell is suitable for hot-formed automotive parts, 3D formed metal pieces, curved metal surfaces, and irregularly shaped metal tubes. Songu Laser provides one-stop laser welding solutions for the selected projects. The High Store series include automatic loading and unloading, automatic identification, automatic sorting, automatic palletizing, automatic logistics transfer, automatic warehousing, and other processes. Songu Laser offers metal cutting and welding solution for aerospace, wind power energy, automotive, shipbuilding, construction mining machinery, steel structure, and agricultural machinery with its outstanding product performance and high reliability. To better serve the global customers, we have built a solid domestic and international marketing and service network. We continuously cultivate core technology, quality control, and service system, promoting market competitive advantages. We have adopted CRM, PLM, SRM, SAP, MES, OA, and HR system, fully aligning with international high-quality management standards. Additionally, our mobile cloud customer service platform makes our services more efficient, convenient, and easily accessible. Laser inspires Songu's innovation and integration. Songu contributes to our city by our efforts and development. A more international intelligent laser manufacturer is coming.